Hey guys, welcome to week 25. We had started the iCivics lesson today in class, and I want to give a tutorial video for anybody who missed it, or if you're really confused in class, we'll go over this again. I always encourage you guys, hit me up in class or come to my office hours during lunch so I can help you get caught up or help you with any assignment. So up on Canvas, you're going to see in the modules, I added some clear instructions tonight. So it's called week 27 iCivic instructions, which will be the same place you found this video. Right, and there are the timeline. So when we're doing each document, objective, essential questions, and the website where you can find the assignment. I couldn't find a way to link it through Canvas, so realize that you're going to be submitting it, and I'll be grading it on the iCivics website. Right. Once you go to this website, it's going to take you here. If you haven't, you're going to log on and or create a website, or I'm sorry, create login with Gmail. Once you do, you're going to click this box in the top right corner. It says My Civics. And you should have registered for my class on Tuesday. Again, send me an email if you don't know the password, and I'll get it to you. Once you click on classes, you scroll down, and you'll see the Louisiana project. We're going to continue. It might stay start assignment if you haven't started with us. This is pretty important here. If it's your first day, definitely click new session. If you started in class on Wednesday, you're going to want to choose continue. We have two options here. I implore you guys to choose freeform to give yourself more of a challenge, especially if you read at grade level or you have an advanced reading level. I think it's going to help you out and make you better in the long run. If you struggle with reading, you're going to want to choose guided mode. But at the end of the day, the choice is up to you, and it's going to tell you if you got your answers right or wrong. The next step is we got to choose a tutor, and no matter who you choose, they're going to all give you the same guidance. So it's a personal preference. They're going to give background information. For the sake of the video, I'm going to hurry up through here. The first document is going to be where you have to click. And then each day, as you finish this one, you'll be able to unlock the next. We're going to do the to appoint and approve on Wednesday, get out of the pocket on Thursday, and establish in territorial government on Friday. So we'll do one each day of the week. Again, more background information to help you. Slow down and read this at your own pace. When you get through here, the first thing you want to do, we can't annotate, and I'm very big on us annotating our readings. So in class, we started a outline note process. What we got here is simply from this reading. And if you want to see the process, how I created that, go back to the week 26 module, and you'll be able to see the week 25 recordings, right? And they're down here on the Wednesday's class. Now, there are 4 parts to each document. Okay, so you're gonna have to, as you click finish one, you'll unlock the next. That's to help you progress. And they're stepping stones. They're gonna help you understand the next step. What I really like about this is if you try to rush through it, or if you get it wrong, even if you try your best effort, it's gonna tell you, your tutor will pop up and say, slow down, try again. Right? So we know that from class, we did document 1 together. This was about approving and nominating appointments. So when I hit click, continue, it'll take me to the next round. All right. In the readings, if you don't understand the blue words, you can simply hover over it and it'll give it to you. And then there's some easy guidance here. Remember, you can click and drag your answers. So take your time, explore it. If you have any questions, ask me in class, send me an email. I'd be happy to help you. This will be one of our first grades for the 4th quarter. So take it serious so we can start off on a really good note and keep our grades up. Good luck with this, guys. I hope this helps. Send me an email if you need help.